Evening. His name is Nathan Reardon. According to the Maine Department of Labor, two businesses run by Reardon were cited for failing to pay workers in a timely fashion on numerous occasions over the last 2 years. Bankruptcy documents also show that those workers aren't the only people who Reardon may have owed money to. The website NathanReardon.com states Mr. Reardon is an active advocate for business excellence, service, and safety in all aspects of his businesses and business practices. The site lists a portfolio of more than 60 entities, including property management companies, restaurants, and automotive businesses. Several of those businesses list addresses of the former Sears location at the Bangor Mall. The space recently condemned due to a lack of heat and sprinkler coverage. The notice, according to Bangor Code Enforcement, has not been appealed. However, a permit could be applied for to address the issues raised. A federal trial is set to begin June 7th in connection with alleged Paycheck Protection Program fraud. U.S. prosecutors accuse Reardon of obtaining a nearly $60,000 loan in the early stages of the pandemic, intended for business and payroll expenses, instead using much of the money for personal expenses. Reardon has pleaded not guilty, his attorney offering no comment. According to data from the Maine Department of Labor, two businesses run by Reardon have been cited for 698 wage violations over the last 2 years through Global Disruptive Technologies and Taco Shack restaurants. Florida LLC filings show Global Disruptive Technologies is currently not doing business. Taco Shack remains registered with the Maine Secretary of State's office, but no locations are operating. State records show those businesses failed to issue multiple paychecks and, when asked by the DOL, failed to provide all payroll records as required by law. Penalties exceed $100,000. The businesses owe a combined $45,000 in back wages. According to the most recent agency data sets, nothing has been repaid. The decisions on these violations, the agency says, are final. We reached out to Reardon numerous times but received no comment.
Hello?
Hi, is this Nathan?
Yes.
Nathan, this is Terry Stackhouse. I'm a reporter calling from WMTW in Portland. How are you doing? The DOL says attempts to appeal violations for Global Disruptive Technologies in 2021 were abandoned, and for Taco Shack they were dismissed. In 2022, violations were not appealed, according to the agency. Beyond the citations, Maine's Department of Labor has not indicated they intend to take disciplinary action against Reardon's businesses. The DOL telling 8 Investigates they cannot comment on specific cases, but that the agency has the authority to issue cease operations orders when employers do not comply with labor laws. This is a powerful tool the department uses in the most egregious of circumstances after a thorough investigation. In 2020, the DOL ordered a Sanford Career Center, which state documents show owed more than $34,000 in back wages, to cease operations. The agency took similar action again late last year against an Augusta call center, which records state owed $170,000 in back wages. Those are the only times the agency has ever forced a business to suspend operations. Court records show Reardon claiming dozens of previous employees and contractors have been owed hundreds. A 2021 bankruptcy filing in Maine listed liabilities of $384,499.47 and estimated debts to between 100 and 199 creditors. The filing also stated Reardon twice previously filed for bankruptcy in Florida in 2014 and 2017. Both of those filings were ultimately resolved. The Maine filing lists dozens of people owed wages, salaries, and commissions. The Maine bankruptcy case was ultimately dismissed with Reardon's consent. We did ask Maine's Department of Labor about workers who are owed money. The agency told us that they do stay in touch with people who filed complaints resulting in violations, advising next steps if they don't receive back wages that they're owed. Reporting live in studio tonight, Terry Stackhouse, WMTW News 8.